I recently designed this paddle with a wider blade than the standard Greenland paddle. The 9200, as this paddle is not so interesting known as, is a cutting-edge design. It executes sexiness in every department. Its design, its look, and its feel in the hands of the paddler. The paddle width is only 8 mm or 5/16 of an inch wider than the standard Greenland paddle, but in practice these 8 mm results in a much improved forward propulsion. Size does indeed matter, at least sometimes. What determines the behavior of a paddle in the water is the flow over the surface of the paddle. The profile of the outermost 30% of the paddle is of a special great importance. The aforementioned 8 mm, in which in conjunction with the very thin blade profile, you can see here, means that the arch over which the water flows is flatter and thus is longer, and it results in very different hydrodynamic proportions. This means the paddle offers far more power than the narrower sisters and is significantly more comfortable through the water. The 9200 really grips the water, so more of the paddler's energy goes into moving a kayak forward instead of moving water over the sides of the blade. The resulting advantage means that you get power and better maneuverability for the same expended energy. The change profile of the paddle blade also means that you get a very clear feedback. It tells you immediately when you're doing something wrong. In addition to the increased power, it's also ergonomically superior to most, with a surface that doesn't become slippery when wet, and this more naturally oval handle, which in opposed to rectangular and round ones is much more comfortable. It also offers a very simple and high reliable loom joint that doesn't transfer stress to the locking button. Everything about this paddle screams quality and reliability. And the single piece layout of the honeycomb carbon per paddle section gives the paddle its strength and lightness. It comes out in less than 700 grams. And this one is also in stock. Thank you for your time, and I'll be back.